What's the matter?
I'm just eating up inside it. No one's heard of Chubby Chums fishing charters.
I know. It was such an incredible day yesterday. Chubby's such a great guy.
I know, I don't understand how no one's heard of his business. Like, between you and me, Chubby told me that he's going under. If only he had a promotional video that he could circulate on his social media, Chubby would be doing great.
Hey Bruce, have you heard of Chubby? No. Me neither.
Hey, I do know someone. Joel from Kandid Video Productions. He's great at promoting small companies. We should set Chubby up with Joel.
Right, I have heard of Joel from Kandid Video Productions.
Have you heard of Kandid Video Productions?
Call 250-896-8232 to promote your business with Kandid Video Productions.